Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, I know you have had very many types of chapatis, but this is by far one of the best chapati recipes. It's the East African chapati. You are going to find it almost in every homestead. So yes, what makes it the East African chapati is what we use, the carrots, the green pepper and the onion. That uniqueness, it's not just plain. So here I have one carrot, one green pepper and one onion. I'm going to peel my carrot right there nicely and cut my onion and my green pepper. Now yes, I'm going to grate this together, the onion, the carrot and the green pepper. This is going to build up some very good flavor in the chapatis. You guys, you're going to love these. Oh, these are so yummy. So yes, I used 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm adding it in my bigger bowl. Yes, and here I use 1.5 teaspoons. 1 teaspoons and a half. Mix this together. Now you add in your vegetables right there, your green pepper, your carrot and your onion. Now you mix this in there nicely. Now I'm using 1 cup of hot water. I prefer hot water. These chapatis stay soft for longer when I use hot water. So yes, you can use hot water. Mix that in properly. Now you are going to get in with your hands. Now I used 3 tablespoons of cooking oil here, vegetable oil. You can use any oil that you prefer. Now you add it in there, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Knead this properly. Please make sure that your dough is soft and sticky. As you can see, my dough is really soft and it's ready. I'm going to cover this and keep it for at least 1 hour or more if you prefer. So resting your dough helps it become even softer. As you can see, the dough is soft. I'm going to shape it into balls. Yes. So 3 cups of flour will get you about 6 to 7 chapatis. Yes, large chapatis. Now you add this on your, you're going to roll this out nicely. Make sure it's not too thin and make sure it's not too thick. It has to be just right. Okay. So yes, when your pan, make sure your pan is hot. Add on your chapati. Give it about 30 seconds. You add your oil there and turn it. Each chapati will take about 2 minutes. 2 minutes to get ready. Please make sure the heat is fine, not too low and not too high. You don't want your chapatis to get burnt. And you don't want your chapatis to take long on the heat because they will become dry and hard. So yes, burst out those bubbles as you see them nicely. Yeah. Yes, our chapati is looking nice and ready. Now you take it off the heat. Repeat this with all the chapatis that you have made. And trust me guys, this is going to become one of your best chapati recipes. It is just too yummy and very soft. Guys, you are going to love this. Now guys, thank you so much for your support. God bless you all. Come back for more recipes. Ciao.